Follow my steps in order to fix Spider-Man Miles Morales. Something went wrong. For the first step, you need to go to the Windows taskbar, click on this upside arrow, and then right click on the Steam launcher if appearing, then make sure to terminate it by selecting Exit Steam. Next, go to the Search and IP Task Manager. Make sure to type and click on this one. Once done, this will appear. So go to the Search and type in Steam. You need to ensure that no process is running in the background. If so, make sure to find it, right click on it and select End Task. Now for the next step, you need to go to your browser and type in Miles Morales server status. After that, you need to click on this link right here. By that, you will ensure that the problem is on your end or it is an internal error. So you can see that all system operational, no issues detected, and no issues reported in the past 24 hours. Now what you need to do is to go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Select the NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. Alternatively, you can open the AMD one. After that, go to drivers and select install to update your graphics card driver to ensure that it's compatible with the latest versions. Next, go to the Windows icon and make sure to click on settings. After that, go to Windows Update and make sure to install the latest available updates as well. If you do have stack updates, go to update history, deselect the first two options, and then follow up with either uninstall updates or recovery in order to fix your issue. Next, go to the search and type in device manager. Make sure to open this one. After that, look for display adapters right here and look for your graphics card. Right click on it and select the first option. Follow up with the first option. After that, click on close. Next, make sure to open the Steam launcher. Now you need to go to the Steam logo top left corner and select check for Steam client updates. After that, go to settings and then go to in-game. Make sure to switch off the Steam overlay. Go to storage, select the right drive that you have Spider-Man Miles Morales on. Click on the settings. After that, click repair library. Then go to downloads, scroll down. After that, click clear cache and click on confirm. For the next step and the last one, go to the view option and select library. In the left, search for Spider-Man game that you want. After that, click on the application. I don't have it installed, so click manage. After that, click on properties. Next, go to installed files and click verify integrity of game files in order to fix any corrupted or missing file. And that's it. Make sure to wait for the process to finish till the end and hopefully the problem is fixed. The last step I recommend you to do is to go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your computer. Like, subscribe, share the video if you want, and see you on the next one.